What's up everybody, Jordan here and back for another video. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing some more gear from Bunker Branding. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so some brief info about Bunker Branding. They're based in Boerne, Texas. Founded in 2017 by Matt Carricker, aka Demolition Ranch. Bunker Branding sells its own merchandise and also works with different content creators to sell their own merch, including Matt, Demolition Ranch, Brandon Herrera, Kentucky Ballistics, Administrative Results, the Unsubscribed Podcast, Alex Zedra, Jeremy Siers, and a whole bunch of others. Lots of great content creators. I'll link some down below so you guys can check them out. Let's talk about what I got. Alright, let's unbox this stuff. Got Bunker Branding socials right there on the bag. Pretty cool. Alright, let's get into it. So first, we have the Administrative Results t-shirt. This is in the Midnight Navy. Really nice quality shirt. It's got admin's logo, like small there on the front, and then much bigger on the back. Really good quality shirt. Can't wait to rock this. And then next, this is probably my Demolition Ranch USA pattern of the Demo Ranch's logo. Yeah, really cool. Black t-shirt, super high quality, nice and soft. And then we've got my Kentucky Ballistics. This is in Army Green. It's got his logo on the front with the American flag there on the other side. Yeah, another high quality shirt. Can't wait to start rocking these. And then these shirts are $29.95 each. And I'll have Bunker Branding's website link down below as well. And then in here's some stickers that I ordered. I like to keep them nice and safe. It's good luck. Alright, then we got some stickers. So we have the Administrative Results. It's his logo as a sticker. And then with all these stickers, I'm going to put them on this this Army Green water bottle here that I got recently. And Kentucky Ballistics. It's his logo. Bunker Branding, USA flag right there. Unsubscribed, which is the Unsubscribed Podcast. Great podcast hosted by Brandon Herrera, Donut Operator, Fat Electrician, and then Eli Double Tap. Yeah, definitely they sell merch with Bunker Branding, so definitely check that out as well. Got the Demo Ranch USA flag sticker, and then another AK Guy sticker, Brandon Herrera. Yeah, let's wrap up this video. Alrighty, thanks for watching this quick unboxing of some more gear from Bunker Branding. Definitely check out their website and social media link down below, as well as some of the, I'll recommend some content creators as well in the description that I mentioned. That work with Bunker Branding. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have anything from Bunker Branding, or you watch any of the content creators that I mentioned or that I ordered merch from. Yeah, thanks again for watching. I'll be back for more soon. Peace.